Welcome. This is our SIH project entry. We are creating an ALM under the theme Smart Automation for the problem statement ID SIH 25242. And so far we have created a demo model which uses multiple models from Hugging Face and other websites which are already trained, and we have put all of these models together to create an ALM as required in the project. So first we use a speech recognition model, which is the Whisper model, and it detects the auto detects the language. Along with that, it also creates a transcript, as we can see here. It detects the language and transcribes whatever conversation is occurring in the audio file. And then the second step is to tag the audio with various background noise and events occurring in the audio clip if there are any. And these we tag using a PANS inference model, which is also pre-implemented in a Python module. Then we get various types of output, and one of them we have displayed here. And as the audio which we have used for this demo is mainly a speech audio, we can see when speeches are happening, the probability of speech is high, and there's some laughter and some vehicle noises in the background, and that is also being shown. Then the third step is to the the third step is to detect how many speakers are there, and in which order and when each speaker is speaking. So if it is a conversation between multiple speakers, that will also be recorded, and that is one information will be which will be extracting from the audio file. And for this we are using the diarization module Pynote from Python, and this also generates a file graph like this, where speaker 1 is speaking, then speaker 2, and then again speaker 1 speaks again, and so on. Then finally we are also detecting the emotions of the speakers if a conversation is happening, so that we can detect what is the situation in the audio. Then after that, all of this inputs is fed into a reasoning model, and we generate a prompt with all of these initial outputs, and then that is fed into a reasoning model. For now we are using the Gemini Flash model, and that will give us the final scenario which is occurring in the given audio. And for now it's like in the given example, it says there are multiple participants. As we saw, there were multiple speakers earlier, and there was introduction going on, and then they were going to comments um, they were going to comments discussion about a book fair, etc. And so far this is our demo, and we can do multiple things to improve this. For example, now there is no crosstalk between the models. Later what we could do is perform the diarization first, then split a single audio file into multiple audio files, and then process each one separately, and this will allow us to better transcribe conversations which have multiple languages in them. And we have multiple other ideas which we can implement at a later stage. Thank you.